This video is going to explain how to find the equation of the line tangent to a graph of a function. So here's an example. Find the equation of the line that is tangent to the graph of f of x equals x ln of x at the point 1, 0. So how do we get started with this? Well, we note that we're asked to find the equation of a line, and we remember that there's a well-known formula called the point-slope formula that is usually the all-purpose way of finding an equation of a line. So remember, here m is the slope, and x1, comma y1, those are the coordinates of a point. So that's why it's called point-slope form. In our case, we're actually given a nice point here. We have x1, y1, and we know that the line that is tangent to the graph at this particular point 1, 0 will have to actually lie on the line. So here's a point that's on our line, 1, 0. So I have 1, 0, that's going to be my point. So the only thing I need in order to figure out the point-slope formula is the slope. But now we remember that the slope of the tangent line, that's what we're trying to find, a tangent line, is actually equal to the derivative. So in this case, m is going to be equal to the derivative. Well, the derivative when the x is equal to 1. So we use our x1 when we plug it into the derivative. So we want to figure out what that is. Well, in order to figure out what f prime of x1 is, we're now going to finally use the formula that we're given. So as a side problem, we have to figure out what is f prime of x. Well, we're given a formula for f. F of x equal x times ln of x. So we need to find the derivative here. And we're going to use the product rule because this is a product of the function x and the function ln of x. So let's take the derivative of x, that's just 1, times the ln of x, that's the second function. Now the product rule says that we add to that the original function x, then now times the derivative of ln of x, which is now 1 over x. So that's the product rule. Derivative of x times ln of x plus x times the derivative of ln of x, which is 1 over x. We can simplify that a little bit, and we get just ln of x plus, well, now 1 times 1 over x, the x's cancel, and we're just left with 1. So again, now I want to figure out what's f prime of x1, where x1 is now 1. So now I have f prime of 1. That's what I want to know. And to do that, I just plug it into my handy-dandy formula here. I plug in 1 here. And what do I get? I get ln of 1 plus 1. But the natural logarithm of 1 is 0. I get 0 plus 1. So altogether, I just get 1. Okay, so let's summarize. The slope is equal to 1. So the information I have altogether is slope is equal to 1, and my point is 1, 0. Now I go back to the original point-slope formula and just plug in. So y minus y1 is 0 in this case, times is equal to m. M in this case is 1 times x minus x1. That's what goes here. x1 is 1, so that's 1. That's the equation of the tangent line. Let's simplify a little bit. Y is equal to, and then I have x minus 1. That's it. That's the equation of the tangent line.